Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer Gcash to Palawan Pay. So let's start. There are two methods. So the first method is Gcash to Palawan Pay account direct transfer. So number one, open the Gcash app and tap transfer. Number two, select local and either view all or the search icon. Number three, search for and select Palawan Pay. Number four, enter the amount you want to send. Number 5. Enter the Palawan Pay account name and number. Number 6. Review the details and tap send money. Number 7. Confirm the transaction with your Gcash PIN. Method 2. Gcash to Palawan Express Bank. So number 1. Send money from Gcash to your Palawan Pay wallet. Number 2. Open your Palawan Pay app and tap send money. Number 3. Select the Palawan Express branch. Number 4. Enter the recipient's mobile number and other details. And number 5. Tap send. Review the details and confirm the transaction to complete the transfer to the branch. So that's the way to do it, guys. There are two methods that you can try it. Please try the better one for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.